This is NOAA weather radio station WXK58 in Reno, operated by the National Weather Service and broadcasting from Slide Mountain on a frequency of 162.550 MHz. The National Weather Service in Reno has issued a tornado warning for El Dorado County in Northern California until 12:45 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 12:09 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time, firefighters reported a fire tornado 5 miles southwest of Lake Tahoe Airport. Firefighters say this tornado is rapidly moving north. This is a tornado emergency for South Lake Tahoe. Locations impacted include South Lake Tahoe, Myers, and Lake Tahoe Airport. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation for residents in the Lake Tahoe area, including firefighters. Take cover now. Repeating. A tornado emergency has been issued until 12:45 a.m. for the following counties in California: El Dorado County,